Click on the link below to get price. The Caroma Peak Electric Scooter is an impressive piece of engineering that combines comfort, performance, and versatility, making it a standout option for urban commuting and off-road adventures alike. One of its most notable features is the range, which varies with the model: 15 miles for the 500W version, 25 miles for the 800W version, and a whopping 30 miles for the 1200W variant. This flexibility caters to different needs, whether you require a quick ride to work or an extended journey through rugged terrain. The 20-inch off-road tires are another highlight, designed to handle a variety of surfaces, from city streets to uneven trails. These tires provide excellent traction and stability, making the scooter feel secure even on bumpy paths. Riders will appreciate the robust build quality, which feels durable and reliable. The addition of a comfortable seat transforms the riding experience, especially during longer commutes, allowing you to sit back and enjoy the ride rather than standing uncomfortably. Performance-wise, the scooter offers a smooth acceleration, with the 1200W motor providing a top speed that's not only thrilling but also practical for city travel. The scooter's braking system is responsive, instilling confidence while navigating urban environments. Another key feature is its lightweight construction, which makes it easy to maneuver and transport. Battery life is commendable, with fast charging options available, ensuring minimal downtime. The intuitive control panel is user-friendly, displaying battery life and speed, which is helpful for planning your journey. However, it's worth noting that the scooter's weight may be a concern for some users, particularly when lifting it for storage. Overall, the Caroma Peak Electric Scooter impresses with its blend of performance, comfort, and versatility, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their commuting experience or embark on adventurous rides. Whether you choose the 500, 800, or 1200W model, it promises a reliable ride tailored to your specific needs.